So when you get to part G at the bottom, you've done your housing, you've picked your house with your mortgage, you've done 12.5% for the utilities, added that together, you have your total. Transportation, you've chosen your car, new or used, 42% of that. For the maintenance and insurance, you added that together, you have your transportation total. Then you did 5% of your gross income. You picked 3 leisurely items. You have groceries, at least $50 for clothing, entertainment, other expenses, if you decide to have childcare or if one of you is a stay-at-home parent, you added all those up and you have your total. Part G is the total monthly expenses. What are you paying for each month? And that is adding up the total for housing, the total for transportation, and the total for your other costs. So if I add, for my example, $1,696.50 for my housing, plus $195.96 for my transportation, plus $2,572.41 for my other expenses, my monthly total is $4,464.87. So that's how you fill in part G. Once you fill in part G and all of this is filled in and you have this total, this number is going to go here because this is G. This is your total monthly expenses. So you're going to write that same number here. So I'm going to write $4,464.87. Once you do that, your monthly balance is, after you have your gross monthly income, you've taken out your taxes. This is what you have to work with, and this is how much you're spending. You subtract those to see what is your balance. So for me, I would do $8,750 minus $4,464.87, and my balance would be $4,285.13.